To get the out of stock rate for any SKUs or SNs as a percentage for any given period, you can use the out of stock rate function. Let me show you how to use this. So the first parameter is seller ID. My seller ID is typed here in C1. Then it's the period. So because I'm going to use a custom period, I'm just going to select custom in B1. Then comes the SKU. You can either use SKU or Essence. I'm going to use the Essence. Then it's the marketplace. So marketplace is in A1. I have my start and end dates here in E1 and F1 respectively. So here, let me fix E1 as well. So this is how you are going to get the out of stock rate for the given period. The only thing that's left to be done is we need to convert these numbers into a percentage. You can either use this or you can go here, number and percent. So this is how I can get the out of stock rate. As with any other function, you can use strings instead of the cell references, but this is an easier way. Let me show you how. So we can select, let's say 14 days, last 14 days, and just remove these. And these are the results for the last 14 days. I could even do something like, let's say Q1. And this is what I get. So this is a useful way to speed things up. Always remember, whenever you are using strings, you will need to wrap them in quotations. So something like this. Other than that, for people living in Europe, they will need to use semicolons depending on their local settings. Thank you.